Hi science lovers! Today we are going to cover one of the coolest concepts in physics, and that is Faraday's law of electromagnetism. Imagine you are holding a magnet in one hand and a loop of wire in the other. What if I told you that with just a simple motion you could create electricity? Sounds like magic, right? But not. It's science, and it's all thanks to Faraday's law. Welcome to today's video where we unraveled how the two fundamental forces, electricity and magnetism, are deeply interconnected. Let's rewind the clock to 1831 and meet Michael Faraday, a British scientist with a keen curiosity about how electricity and magnetism interact. Let me show you what Faraday discovered. Here we have got a simple setup, a coil of wire and a magnet. When I move the magnet through the coil, I am actually changing the magnetic field that passes through the wire. Watch closely as I do this. Did you see that spark? That's an electric current being generated. This remarkable observation resulted in the formulation of two laws of electromagnetism. Faraday's first law states that whenever the magnetic flux through a circuit changes, an EMF is induced in the circuit. It's all about the interaction between magnetic fields and conductors. But what if we want to know more? How much EMF is being generated? How fast does the magnetic field need to change? That's where Faraday's second law comes in. The second law tells that magnitude of the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux. In simple terms, the faster the magnetic field changes, the more electricity we generate. This beautiful tie of magnetism and electricity gives more idea about this in precise mathematical language. It can be boiled down to this elegant equation. Epsilon is equals to minus d phi by dt, where epsilon is the induced electromotive force and phi represent the magnetic flux, that is the amount of magnetic field passing through a loop. The key here is that it's the change in the magnetic field, not just the field itself, that generates electricity. This phenomenon is what we now know as electromagnetic induction, and just like that, the door to modern electrical age was thrown open. Faraday's discovery was simple yet profound. But why does this happen? Well, it turns out that the moving magnet disturbs the magnetic field around the wire, creating a force that pushes electrons along the wire, which result to induce an electric current in a conductor. Now you might be thinking, this is cool, but how does it apply to real life? Faraday's law isn't just a quirky lab trick. It's the foundation of how we generate and use electricity today. From the massive turbines in power plants to the small wireless charger on your desk, electromagnetic induction is at the heart of it all. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Faraday's genius, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell so you will never miss one more science secrets. If you have any question or ideas for our next video, share them in the comments. I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.